Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we bring you simple and refreshing drink recipes. Today, we're going to show you how to make a classic iced coffee at home, even if you don't have a coffee maker. This recipe is perfect for housewives and teenagers looking for a quick and satisfying summer drink. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by brewing a strong cup of coffee using a regular pot or kettle. You can use instant coffee or ground coffee. Simply boil water and add the desired amount of coffee, stirring until it dissolves. Step 2. Allow the coffee to cool down to room temperature. You can speed up the process by placing it in the refrigerator or adding a few ice cubes. Step 3. Fill a glass with ice cubes. This will help keep your drink cold and refreshing. Step 4. Pour the cooled coffee over the ice cubes, filling the glass about 3/4 full. Step 5. Add milk or creamer of your choice. You can use regular milk, almond milk, soy milk, or any other milk alternative. Add as much or as little as you prefer to achieve your desired taste and creaminess. Step 6. Sweeten your iced coffee. Add sugar, honey, or your preferred sweetener. Start with a small amount and adjust to your taste. Step 7. Stir well to combine the coffee, milk, and sweetener, ensuring that everything is thoroughly mixed. Step 8. Optional. Enhance the flavor by adding a dash of vanilla extract or a sprinkle of cocoa powder on top. Step 9. Enjoy your homemade iced coffee. Take a sip and savor the refreshing flavors. And there you have it, a simple and delicious iced coffee that you can easily make at home, even without a coffee maker. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touches, such as whipped cream, caramel syrup, or a dusting of cinnamon. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy and enjoyable drink recipes. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll share more exciting and refreshing ideas. Cheers to enjoying a homemade iced coffee, made with love right in your own kitchen.